How to turn on and enable swipe forward and backward on UC browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to UC browser. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on those three lines as you can see right here. Now on this page you will find many options. Click on settings here. After you click on settings, go to the second option right here. It's browsing settings. Click on it and now you will find swipe forward and backward option. Click on it and it's turned on successfully. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you later and thank you so much.